Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to install NVIDIA graphics card drives on Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop I just opened Chrome browser and I just type NVIDIA graphics card drives. Once I type NVIDIA graphics card drivers, automatically NVIDIA downloads will be open here. I have given the description link. Just click the link. That link will direct you to the official drivers for NVIDIA will open here. So NVIDIA drivers download will be there. So you can identify which application, that is which driver you want to upload. For example, a product type is GeForce and you can select NVIDIA RX or any other model you can choose, and product series number will be there for your graphics card, for your desktop or your laptop. It will be there in your laptop sticker and you can identify. Otherwise, just go to start and go to run and you will find option called DXDIAG is there. So you can identify which graphics card, which drive, name of the drive will be there. Just go to systems and display. You will identify which graphics card there in your laptop so that you can download the same product model. So just choose the product series and product, which product you want. So you can select the series wise will be there. You can choose according to your need and operating system, whether you are using for Windows 11 or Windows 10 or Linux or free. What are the things you can choose? So I have chosen Windows 11 and download type is in game ready or studio drivers you can choose, and language you can choose, and just click a search. Means automatically the drivers will search and it will get the option release date and what is the file size, everything will be there. Once you click download, automatically your file will be downloaded in your laptop. So this is a beautiful option. You can download your application and you can install in your laptop and have a great access. You can use for the gaming without any other hesitation. So this is a beautiful option. While you create some gaming or you want to play some gaming, you need a graphics drives. So graphics drivers are most important. NVIDIA is providing graphics drivers, so using official website you can download and install your laptop and have a fun in your gamings. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe to my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.